Welcome. My name is Will Demuth. I'm one of the instructors here at the center. To save time, I put my bio in the comment area below so we could jump right into learning. In this series, we will take a look at the key areas where conflict arises, explore strategies and techniques for effective resolution. Oftentimes, violent attacks have precursor signals prior to the attack. These subtle hints can help you identify threats before they happen. The goal of this program is to help you learn what to look for and provide ideas to prevent or evade conflict. But before delving into these strategies, it's imperative to understand the origins of the information provided in this series. The violence prevention insights and self-defense strategies we present are the result of 30 years of research in the following sectors of human interaction. We have learned from both the aggressors and the response of the targets. The techniques we are suggesting are evidence-based and used by subject matter experts. One of the main themes we find in these sectors and in conflict in general is that point in human interaction when one person has to say no to another and the conflict that sometimes follows. By the end of this session, you will better understand the human response to stress, learn to recognize your emotions, develop a survival mindset, improve your personal situational awareness skills, be able to recognize pre-incident indicators, and utilize de-escalation strategies. And most of all, be better prepared to navigate the high threat environments. So let's begin.